Hello everyone. My name is Naniji. My student ID is 523K0051. Today, our group will present about our finance projects, management system. And we have three members of our group, our contract we are moving as me, Naniji. First of all, our group is doing with the proposal to synchronize each task so that for our projects we can run easily on every local machine. So on here, as you see, this is our homepage of the node management system. In here, we are about our feature, and this is the HTML of our user interface, and this is our team member. First of all, if you want to use our node management system, you need to log in or you need to register. So let's register first. So once you register and in the password part, you need to be like maximum only 8 characters, including with never a special character. Also that then after you register, you will have you will go to the our node management dashboard. But in here you will see a display, which is a display message, which is please activate your account. Which this means you can access our node management system without verify your email too. In here, without verifying, you can use our node too. So for example, you can know like as you see, you can know you can add your note so that if you don't verify your account, that this message will be displayed all the time. So we need to verify our email. So to verify our emails, we use the server Mehu. In here, when you register, the email will be sent here. When you click here, you will access to our node management dashboard again. So that after that you can log out too. When you log out when you want to log in again, but you forgot your password, you can reset your password here. And here you just need to uh, you you just need to enter your email and then the email result is also set to the Miho server again. So to get your new password, you need to click here. In here, you need to verify your. You need to create your new password. So after you create your new password, you have to go to the login file again. And here, you just use your email and just you do your new password. So if you do the incorrect password, it will select that again. So after that again, you will see you will go to the our dashboard again. So after that, if you want to edit your profile, you have to go to the preference, and in here you will see that your avatar as your profile. So this is all of my parts. For my next part, we are moving with presence, uh, another features in detail.
Right. My name is William Wu, and my student ID is 523K. 0071. And then in my sessions, I'm going to present you about the uh, main features in our note-taking systems. And then with some of the simpler note management features. As you can see here, as we have activated our new account, you won't be able to see any notes displaying on our dashboard. But it said no note yet. Please click add notes to create your message. But before that, I would like to show you around some buttons in our index main page. As you can see here, there are many buttons. Here, this is the button for creating a new note. This is the button for changing between the view, which is the class view and list view. And this button, and you can change the light themes and dead themes. And here with this button, you can go to the preference page to log out. And here, as what you can see, this is the search bar of the sidebar of our main page. And in this page, on this sidebar, you can see share with me. If you click on that, you will be able to see the note shared to you from another user. But as we still haven't have any note shared to us, and we are still like a new account, we won't be able to see any notes displayed. And then we will move to the we will go back to my notes, and as you can see, here's all notes, paynote, and labels. Under the label title, there will be the label added by the user, but we still haven't added anything in this account yet. There's nothing in the. So I will start my presentation by some simple note management actions, which is the create, edit, delete, and so on. All right. So to create a new note, I have to click on the add note button. And then after that, as you can see here, there is a model for creating a new note already displayed. And with two countries, the first one is the title, and the other is the description of the content of the note. So, and it is the only two sheet that you have to create, and you can skip the other sheet if you don't want to implement it. So I will like present you, demonstrate you by adding something there. For example, I will add testing one, and then here this is the testing, the simple note management action. This is the message. So after that, you'll be able to see any click button here. And all changes made here is already auto-saved. So to move to close this model, we have to just click part of the model. It will be saved automatically, right? And then after that, if we to be able to delete edit that node, all you have to do is just click on it, and then it will show you the same model with the created model, but with the contents that you have already added to them. So what we're gonna do here, we will try to add send image to a node. The thing is, we can add more than one image into a node, and I will demonstrate to you that here we have added to a node, and I will also add a label here. See, this is the label one. I have to enter, and then when you click outside the node, here the node is displayed with the image that we have already just added, and then there's a new label that we added here, and then under the label title, we will display the label that we just added here. And there you can edit and the link here for the for label one, I will edit this to label one two, and then set OK. So it's the label one that we have is now label two. And then here is also label three. And then after that, what we're gonna do, I will demonstrate that our notes can have more than one image. Here, I will try to add another image here, which is and then click outside. So, and what you can see here is even though we have more than one image, the plot view will only display the image that is above that just recently added. And then, if you want to switch to list view, see, then image won't be displayed to save to minimize the space and to give the user a minimalism. And then I will create another note here. Note It's something. And then I will add label 1, 2. See, in the label 1, 2, I will add that label with small r. The label what that we have right now is label 1, 2 with the capital R. But if we implement the label, it will just assume that is a label 1, 2 because we implemented that to avoid the small case and lowercase capital case couples. As you can see here, there are two nodes to label. And then what I'm going to show you is here I also want to add a new label here. Let's just say orange, right? Orange. So there will be two labels here, label 1, 2, and orange. So what we're going to do here is we will try to filter the node here, and I will uh, this is me, and as we also have SOME here, it's not filtered anything yet. So what I believe I will ask testing. So it will just show you the note with the testing. This is the software that we have implemented in our note taking. So I will release them all, so you will be able to see all notes here. But as you can see here, if you click on the pin, there will be no note display because we still haven't pinned any note. So I will pin this label with the pin note. So here, the label testing one, the note testing one is pinned already on the top of the display, and there is the other notes. So when you fader it with the pin, it will only display the note. And we will go back to our note. And then yes, we will filter the notes by new labels. And here, if you click on the label orange, which will show you the notes with the label tag orange. And if you click on label 12 again, it will show you both notes because both notes has the label 1, 2. All right. And then I will show you the delete button here. As we try to click the delete button here, and the system, the application asks you that, which you really want, are you sure you want to delete this note? So it's asks for your confirmation, and then if you click percent, it will delete the note, and then it will leave you with the note only notes that you might have. So, and then we will try to delete the label here. As you can see, there are three labels here. Level 2, level 1, and level others. Here, in this note 2, we have two labels. I will try to delete the label 1, 2. And then here, if you click it, you will be able to see only label orange is left in this note, right? So I will delete this label tree, and I set the explanation, set OK. And then when you click on label tree, there's no, when you click on this is testing tree, you will see there is no label left on this one. Because we just has deleted its label. But the deleting the label doesn't affect the notes. So this is all my thoughts about my thought here. And then the rest my part I wanted will later like continue explaining the rest to you.
Thank you so much. Now I will continue my presentation. My name is Ong Ted, and my student ID is 52330069. Now let's look at our user preference screen and also our user profile. We combined it in the one page. And so here in the above, you can see the user profile, and under the user profile, you can see the user preference settings. So here we can see the information of the user. So let's look at the information of the user, and I want to update the information. So just click on it, and then I can click. I will change the name, the avatar. Okay, and then I also want to edit the avatar profile. So uh, let's go through and choose this photo. Okay, now we can see the preview of the uh our avatar. So okay, I'm going to update the profile, and then let's go back to the user preference screen. And you can see that the user information such as the name of the user and the about the image are actually updated. So now, also here, you can also reset the password. So just click on it, and then you can see, we need to enter the new old password. So I will enter the old password hash and then replace. And then now you can enter your new password, but you need to enter it twice. So Gemini, okay, YN 1 2 3 4 5 hash YAN 1 2 3 4 5 hash. Okay, enter a click and then this successful. Password is now completed successful. Now let's go back to the user preference screen, and in the user preference screen, so we can see the font size. The user can choose the font size on their notes, and also user can choose the note color. So and also user can take the theme. So now let's look at the font size, and then in the font size we can choose we can have the three options. The first one is small, and the second is a medium, and the third one is a large. Now let's go with the second one. The first one small, and for the no color, we need to pick the no color option. And now let's change the no color. Okay, I will choose a field one. Okay, so here. So that is the preview session. We can actually see the preview session or the notes. Okay, and then we can switch to the dark mode. But right now I want to go back to the light mode. So let's go back, and then let's go back to the nodes. Here, we are going to create a new nodes, testing 1 2 3, and then we are going to add a new layer. Uh, as you can see in the status bar, all changes are saved automatically. Close it, and see, you can see that the node color is the color that we used before, or we choose before. Okay. Now I want to share it with another user. So I want to, I'm going to tap the if the email or the user I want to share. So on, and I want him to edit. So I will give him the access to the edit and then edit. So okay, now I will click on share. So the after the node sharing is successful, you can see that this icon showing that the node is shared successfully. Okay, now let's log out, and then we want to register with that email. Yeah, send gmail.com, 5 1 2 3 4 5 hash 5 1 2 3 4 5 hash. Okay, I am going to register, and as you can see, it is showing that is a notification that is that the system is encouraging the user uh, re- to uh, to activate the account. So lastly, I'm going to my email, and then I will click on the link to update. Okay, now our activation of the account is successful. So now I'm going to straight to the share with me section, and I can see that the share note to me. So first view, okay, it's good. And the second, we are going to edit. So okay, edit by the send you. Okay, now I'm going to take the changes. As you can see, that note is those contents are updated and edited by me. Let's go back. And now we are going to create a new node that's 10 5 and 10 I'm editing and testing the passport feature. Passport, okay. And now I'm going to close on it. Okay, now I want to log it. See, I'll enter a new passport. Okay, and then see passport. So let's try to edit without entering the passport. Okay, but we cannot do it. So to edit to edit a note, then we need to enter the password. So I'm going to enter the password. Okay, and then edit. Okay, so okay, and now I want to. Okay, yeah. So to delete the node that has the password, then we need to enter the password first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's submit. Now, okay, now the system is asking us to whether we want to delete the node or not. So, but now I choose to cancel. So now let's look at our responsive feature. So that is what how we will see in the mobile view. So here we here is our GUI node screen, and then here is a grid to this view, uh, and then here is a token board and text okay, and then here is the user preference screen. Okay, now you can also click on it, and you can see the pin node and also label, and also share with me session. So thank you so much for the attention to our presentation. That is the end of our presentation video.